I would like to put the Zuki brand, which is my consumer brand,
Okay.
because we make flush doors and some other stuff. So I'd like to put
Okay.
the brand, okay,
Okay. Thank you so much.
and possibly make it a permanent partner to the lecture series.
Okay, that will be fine. Thank you so much.
Okay, so
Okay,
okay,
have you been
so I
able
can
to
share my
enable him
screen now.
to share?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So you can see Moses, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, it's up now.
You can
Craft
see
to
my screen. Okay.
industry,
Yeah, I
understanding
can see
product
your
and
screen. I
industrial
can see your
design.
screen.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good. That's good. So that's the
Understanding
first.
products and industrial design.
Yes, it's going to be an interesting lecture. Okay, so that's good. The last thing I wanted to do, which I might end up not doing, is that I wanted to do. I'm beginning to think that it's going to be too much. It's going to be too much because maybe I will need a body cam or something to do that. So I think that's fine. I think for now, I'll just do the lecture. There's quite a lot. I also will be playing. Let me see how this video plays. Okay. Okay. You can see that, right? Okay. So the
Yes, we
video
can see
plays
the
very well.
yes.
So this is giving you.
Okay, Engineer Zuka, one thing. I think Engineer Zuka, your signal, your voice signal is cracking. I don't know if it's from my own end or from
a snippet of it might be from my own end.
okay, because I think
So
Collins also identified that it's from your own end. I think
okay,
you might
for
have
now, for now I've not connected to the office Wi-Fi because I can't connect yet. So I'm using my phone to hotspot, but I don't
okay.
think it will be a problem because I'm using the Wi-Fi. But it's still cracking.
It's still cracking, yes.
Oh, okay.
Aha, you're back now. You're back now.
And if I do that, okay, so I'm back
Yes.
now. Okay, so let me do that again. What I did before was go to full screen. Is it cracking now? I want to be sure it's not the full screen affecting it.
Okay, I think it's okay now.
All right, all right, all right. So we're good. I think we're good. You guys are seeing a snippet of what the lecture is going to be about anyway. So
Yes. Yes, it's coming out good.
okay, great, great, great. I think yeah, I think we have okay, so I think that works well.
Okay.
Okay, that's I think that works well. Any other thing? So I think the factory tour we will not do. Instead of doing the factory tour,
Okay.
if time permits us, I will probably play. I have some videos. Oh, this is different. Um, okay, 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 okay. It's how long is this lecture going to be?
Okay, we are keeping it at 2 hours, and we are looking at how giving you about an hour plus an hour and some few minutes, like 20 minutes. So we are going to have it
An
in
hour
2
and
parts.
20 minutes.
Yes, you're going to have it in 2 parts so that
Okay.
we'll go for a break in between your lecture to refresh and for you to come back again, so that we don't just keep it a long stretch that will bore your listener. So we just take it, you break it into 2. Halfway, you will take a break, like a tea break, take an advert or interlude, then you will now come back so that we'll have a fresh refresher start again. So I think that's okay with you. You can plan your lecture.
Yeah, I think if we're going to have a break, then I would like to have a break by the time we get to after slide 15.
Okay.
I think so, because by then there are a couple of videos I would have played, and it would have connected design to industrial design and all that. And then from slide 16, I actually now delve into really what is design.
Okay.
So I think that will work. But if I change that, I'll let you know. But I think at the end of slide 15, we can take a break.
Okay. Come back. Okay, I'll take note of that.
How long usually is the break?
The break is just maximum 5 minutes.
Okay, good. Because I need all the time. I'm even scared I won't be able to cover everything, and I know there's going to be quite a lot of discussion. Quite a lot of discussion.
Questions. A lot of questions will also come up.
Yeah, it's going to be quite a session. Okay, so this works well. I don't think I see any other problems.
Okay. Your chat is good. Okay, you can monitor your chats while you're presenting, right?
Aha, let me see. How do I do that? I need to. How do I do that? So you need to guide me there.
Okay, go to
here, right?
Azuka, are you on mobile, or because I think from the screen you're on a laptop. From the screen I'm seeing you're on a laptop, right?
Yes, I am on a laptop.
Okay.
Okay, somebody sent something.
Okay, so just
chat,
below there, just when you move your cursor down, it will pop up where you will see the chat. That's the menu will pop up. Then you see participant chats.
You should be able to see it on my screen now.
No,
are you not seeing my chat on?
No, we can't see that because what you're sharing.
She just typed "This is Grace."
Yeah, he typed "This is Grace." I've seen it.
Yes, we're seeing his chat. Okay, fine. That means you have found it. Yeah.
Okay, so it's great.
Okay. So while you're presenting, you can also be monitoring the chat session, so that's where we can be communicating. I will communicate directly with you through your personal chat. I can communicate to you personally, privately, without reaching the entire house. You get it?
Okay.
Once you click, you go to that chat, you click on where you have everyone, you will now see the options.
So like now, you are the only one that can see my chat, right?
No. Go to where you have everyone.
I just did that.
Okay, we have options there. Everyone,
yes.
Collins, myself, and Oge. You have it there.
Collins, can you see my chat now?
Yes, I can see your chat. I think it's a public chat, but if it is private, I will know it's private. So if you want to chat with somebody private, you either click the person or you double click that person's name and you chat. But now the risk is what most people do is that when they are into private chat, they don't know when to go out. Yes, so you need to look at if it is everyone that you posted to, or if everyone that is posted to you, or that, so that you don't send what you want to send another person to another person. So you can test it, you can try it.
I just
sent
Moses a message. Collins,
okay.
I just did.
I did it. Yeah, okay, you just did, right?
I got a private message and I've responded. You've seen it too?
Yes,
Okay,
I have.
that's correct.
Okay.
Me, I'm not seeing it because it's private.
Okay.
Okay. So now the advantage of how we use the private chat is Mazuka. How we use the private chat is to send you feedback as you go on.
I've changed it now to Collins.
Okay, do with Collins. Yes.
A message. Just it to Collins. Can you see me?
Okay, your message. You mean a message, or if I can see you? Moses Azuka left, or he's struggling?
No, he's on. He's on.
Okay, done now.
Yeah, I think it was the network. So,
okay.
I think it was the network. Okay, so.
Okay.
My screen again. All right. That's. I think that. I think I'm comfortable with the interface.
Okay.
Okay, for the engineers.
Any other thing I need to know?
Yeah, I want to ask the video you want to do. Can't you do the? I mean, the practical I want to do. Can't you do a short clip of the talk? Then we can play it. You can play it along. Few minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes.
Yes.
Like that?
That's what I've decided to do. So I have it somewhere. I can't find it now, but I've done a video. I've done a video on the CNC. I've done a video. So we will play the video later. Okay. Just to show when we're talking about production technologies and how to apply it to industry, then we can play that video separately. Okay. I won't be doing the live demo. I have a recorded video.
Okay.
In fact, I have more than one. Okay. And Moses, I'm not an engineer.
I was going to say that because I know
Please keep quiet because I
will say it without me. I wouldn't have said it in front of you anyway because I didn't know whether you were enjoying it. Enjoy to be more than it.
The truth is that I do more engineering than most engineers anyway. But at least let's say what is on our paper. I'm not an engineer.
So you're a practical engineer then.
But engineering must be practical.
No, Azuka, you're a technician. Please keep quiet.
Really? That's
anyway,
there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that, actually.
No, of course. Okay. Just me throwing jabs.
Okay, no
worries. Meanwhile, okay. Azuka wants to advertise. You know what I want to say. So go ahead when that time reaches. Azuka, good morning.
No, it's just to give more color to the program, and moreover, since I'm lecturing and I'll be talking on products, so it makes sense to have another kind of product advert. It makes sense to people might even ask questions based on that, you know.
Yeah,
the truth is that there is the core purpose of this lecture. In fact, I think I should share that with you guys. I'm trying to make sure it's not a lecture like every other lecture. The core purpose. This is what I want to achieve at the end of this lecture. I really want us to talk about industrial and product design, which is a very, very big area. 2 hours is not enough. 1 month is not enough to talk about it, but it's for me to link it to our industry or our lack of industry. And then I'm linking everything we'll be talking about to our country and how we have performed in the area of making consumer goods, making products, because life is all about products. We interpret life, especially in the modern age, using products. The house is a product. Our clothes are products. Our wedding ring is a product. Mobile phone, the computer we're using, all of these things are products. But we know that in truth, as Nigerians, we have done very poorly despite our education. So I want at the end of the lecture, like I said, to engender in participants positive anger as to how poorly Nigeria has performed. I may change that to how poorly Nigerians have performed. But I don't want to insult anybody, so I'm saying how poorly Nigeria has performed. Because we have performed very poorly, and it's showing. I also want to use it towards the end of the lecture to find a way to galvanize us to really understand some of the things that we should be doing. We can't just be talking and complaining, and yet there are some quick wins we're supposed to take on. Everybody seems to, using Futo graduates, for example, everybody seems to want to work in Shell. Everybody wants to work in Agip. But none of us want to create the Shell or create the Agip. None of us want to collaborate and build bigger stuff, you know? So these are my three, the goals I want to achieve with this lecture. Like I said, 1 hour, 20 minutes is not enough, but we'll do the best we can with it. I told Collins that I'm praying that some of the more advanced minds in Futo, like Sandukwe, Rex, Engineer Eze, people who are involved in industry already, Collins, all of us that are there, that we are part of this lecture, so that the contributions that will come from them will add to a lot of the things I'm going to be saying, and maybe even guide me, because I don't want to seem like somebody who is pontificating from an area of authority. No, I want to talk to my colleagues on the same level. However, I also want to help everybody to realize that if we don't do this work, if we don't get this country going, nobody's going to do that. So I think that gives you guys an idea of what I would like to achieve. Okay?
Okay.
That's right. Over to you. Okay.
Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. I was hoping that we'll have, just like Moses said, we'll just look at what the what's it called,
a tour
walk around, yeah, the tour would be. So, but since we can't, I think the major thing that we would want to achieve usually in this demo is to take feedback, especially on network delivery, and also discuss timelines and all whatnot. The last one, network disturbed us. We went through our time, so we saw people leaving after. In fact, we saw people leaving after an hour and a half. So, and that is why we'll try as much as we can to start and finish within an hour and a half. So Moses, I'm sure you would have discussed the time limits with Azuka, and also this is about tips. These tips, that's what it is. It's not like the full lecture. It's for us what we call introduction to hunger.
Collins. Okay, I think he's just coming back.
Okay.
Is he back now? Okay, fine. He's back.
Yes. Azuka, are you back?
Yes,
okay,
I'm back.
Good.
I'm back.
So I was saying that the idea around it is to create to give people tips. It's more like introduction to hunger. That's what it is. You understand? So that at the end of lecture, people begin to chase and say, "Oh, want to know the real deal," and that's what it is. And the last lecture, after an hour and a half, people started leaving. So what we want to do is that we will not exceed an hour and a half. Therefore, Moses would, I'm sure that Moses would have told you the time we had. And Azuka, I know this thing is, we can't finish it. You know that when we spoke about it, only me and you was an hour and a half, only me and you alone, just me and you. And we didn't even scratch the tip. Do you understand? So, but this one, it was going to be just the tip so that people will be hungry to take the rest. So, Moses, you're going to know how to handle and allocate the time. Discuss that with Azuka so that we stay within time and not have people going out when they should be staying back. Yeah.
Of course.
I thought I saw Azuka going around with
his hand is I think his network is
yeah,
is the
especially where
issue.
you have equipment, they will be interfering with network.
I'm looking at I don't know if it will be possible for him if he has an assistant that can if he has an assistant he can open the Zoom on his laptop which he will use. Then somebody can he can open the Zoom also on the phone. The person can be going
Wait,
around
stop
while
hanging.
he's speaking.
Go ahead.
Okay, what I'm saying is that maybe
Yeah.
also to shorten our time based on the video, you can have the Zoom, the two meetings, the meeting open on your laptop and also on your phone. If you have an assistant, the assistant can use at the time of the practical, the assistant or yourself can use the phone to go around to the spots that you've identified to be the sections you want to highlight on the video. We can still be watching it while you are still on the other maybe on your laptop while the other phone will also be coming up. I don't know if
Okay, that's a possibility. I will try that sometime maybe tomorrow or next and see if it works.
Okay.
But also, Azuka said he has a videos of the tour. A video
yes.
How long is the video?
Yes,
how long
that's
is
what
the
I
video?
wanted to ask. How long is the video?
No, they are all short. Let me see if I can find any of them now.
As short as 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
I have yes, I have those short videos.
Okay.
Anyway, don't worry. Like I said, I will find them, and then I should be able to. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Use VLC. Okay.
So this, for example, is the video of the laser machine. So I can play this, and I think this video is just, you can hear me, right?
Yes, we can hear you.
But the video
can you guys hear me?
The video is hanging.
Moses, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but the video is dragging. I can hear you.
Yes. But as the video, did you mute the sound of the video?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
I can hear you.
But the video is silent because you are not sharing the sound of your screen.
right? Can you hear me?
We can hear you,
Yeah.
but the video was dragging.
Yeah, the video was dragging and it jumped.
Oh, okay, okay.
It jumped to the end. I think we need to work. You need to work out that video part very early. That thing is
Hold
network.
on, I'm coming. Something happened. Hold on. I think for some reason I could not. I've gone off my headphones.
Okay.
You can hear me through the microphone, right?
Yes, you can
yes,
hear it.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, but it's fine. But my headphone, which is what I was using, I think I started.
When you are sharing your when you're sharing your screen below the line there, you see share your screen sound.
You mean here?
No, that is at the point you are sharing the screen, you will see a lot of your windows that are open. Under there on the light down, you will now see shared screen sound.
Oh, I know what happened. Sorry, it was my fault. I can still hear you, but I reduced when the video was playing, the noise was too much in my ear. Okay. So that's one of the videos, right? They are quite. Do I have a CNC video here? So I have a few of them. I'll select them out, and I'll see the ones I'll play. Okay, so it works well. You guys can hear me, right?
You, but not the video.
Okay, so it works.
Yeah, but I can't. The video has no sound, sir. I can't hear any sound.
I know what is happening. Azuka has not checked the share the sound of the screen. That's why.
Okay. Yes. Let me look for.
If you are, when you go to share screen and you click that particular one that you want, under there, there's a line there like a taskbar. You will see share screen. You will see two places to check. One is share the screen in the left. That's when you are sharing your screen, not when you have shared it.
I've done that. So let me play the video again.
Can reduce the sound so that I don't blow our ears. Yes, we can hear the sound.
Okay. All right, no problem. Okay, I think I got that. So
yeah,
I got that. So we're good. I think we're done.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so that's
we'll talk later,
cool.
Right? Yes, we will. I'll chat you up later. Thank you so much.
All right, gentlemen. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. All right.
That was a nice one. Thank you, everyone, for doing this.